What's up, beautiful creation? Another day, another recipe. So today we're going to make how to boiled egg. Wow, char lang. These are the following ingredients: chicken breast cut into cubes bite size, garlic rind, ginger rind, orange peel zest rind, freshly orange juice squeeze, 2 tablespoon cornstarch dilute into 4 tablespoon water, then set it aside. Let's start marinating the chicken breast. Firstly, marinate the chicken breast, add ground pepper, add some salt. It depends upon your taste bud. And gonna add some 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour and crack 1 egg. And mix well until nicely coated. Add freshly squeezed orange juice to help tenderize the chicken. Then let it rest for 30 minutes in the chiller. Okay guys, let's start frying. Heat oil over medium heat, then place chicken into the skillet for about 2 minutes. And then fry until golden brown. After 2 minutes, place the chicken on paper towel and set it aside. Okay guys, let's start making the sauce. In a fry pan, add oil, then saute garlic and ginger. And add the freshly squeezed orange juice, then stir. Then add a bit of water. Then stir and continuously simmer. Add ground pepper. Then add the orange zest to make more aroma. And gonna add some oyster sauce or soy sauce, optional. And add 1 tablespoon of honey to make a little bit sweet, kick of sweet. Then add the diluted cornstarch to make the gravy thicker. Gravy is nicely and smooth, and add the fried chicken breast. And toss it well until nicely coated. Then add a sesame oil to add more flavor and aroma. Then bam! It's ready to serve. So this is my final touch. A beautiful creation. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like my channel, please subscribe and put thumbs up. And don't forget to share my video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.